Yeah, today we'll be seeing how to view RTMP streams on the Raspberry Pi. So you can see we have a Raspberry Pi booting up on the top right corner. The video you see there is live output from the RCA composite video output of the Raspberry Pi. It has started up and connected to the local network. As you can see, the IP address has been assigned for the Raspberry Pi, and SSH server has also started up on the Raspberry Pi. So let's go ahead and connect to this SSH server. We'll enter the IP address of the Raspberry Pi here. And let's open up a connection to the Raspberry Pi. Yeah, the login prompt has come up. And let's go ahead and make this window slightly bigger. We log in with the default credentials. Yeah, as you can see, we have now connected to the Raspberry Pi. Now to view RTMP streams, what we are going to use is the omxplayer, the default media player in the Raspberry Pi. And to capture and view the RTMP stream, we'll be using rtmpdump. If any of these are not available, it is easily installable from online repositories. So let's go ahead and try it out. So the first requirement to run the RTMP stream is we need what is known as a named pipe. A named pipe is essentially a FIFO buffer which is referenced by a particular name. It can be created using the mkfifo command. Let's give it some name, live video. Okay, now that has been done. Now to view RTMP streams, we'll be using rtmpdump. So rtmpdump, we have to specify the URL to the RTMP stream. What I have here is a live stream of my webcam running on a local Flash media server on my local network. So I'll try and connect to that. As this is a live stream, you have to make sure that you give the live argument to the rtmpdump command. Now we direct this output to the named pipe we have just created. This will send the RTMP stream to this FIFO named pipe. What we are going to do along with that is use omxplayer to play this particular named pipe. Video. Now this should start up the live video on the Raspberry Pi. Let's go ahead and try it out. You can see it is accessing the stream and buffering, and soon we'll have the live video. Yeah, so we have the stream being displayed on the Raspberry Pi video output. You just press Ctrl C to close the stream. Now this same command can also be executed when the Raspberry Pi is running its GUI. If you want, we'll just go ahead and try that out. We just start up the graphical interface of the Raspberry Pi. Yeah, now we have the graphical interface of the Raspberry Pi being displayed on the video output. All we have to do is go ahead and run the same command again, rtmpdump, specify the URL to the RTMP stream, and link it to the named pipe and play the named pipe using the video player. So let's go ahead and do it one more time. Yeah, we have the stream being displayed. So that's it. Go ahead and have a nice day. Thank you.